What's up everybody, Steven Z Killer here. It's time for a new reaction video. But before that, 75% of you guys watching are not subscribed. Now recently, I was able to obtain the silver play button because we hit 100,000 subscribers. Now I'm pushing myself forward even further. We're going for 300,000 subscribers. We can't hit this goal if you're not part of this community, so hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Join the Discord so you don't miss out on any of my videos when I go live on Twitch, live on YouTube, or I upload a video. Links in the description. Don't forget, I do want to upgrade from silver to gold at one point. So help me out today and hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into the video. What's up everybody, Steven C Killer here, bringing another reaction. Now today's an interesting one. It's kind of a weird one. Now, I've been seeing this trend going on when it comes to these multiple different creepypasta or Roblox horror things turn into shorts, animations, and a bunch of other stuff. Like there was that one with the colors, like there was a red dude who had a doctor outfit. I forget his name and whatnot. Then there was the other one where he's blue. He has like one eye that has a cross on it, and he's kind of got this goopy shit coming out of his mouth. That it was a colors thing. Now, I recently noticed that this has been popping up on YouTube more and more, and then this kind of just feels like they took the concept from that and did the whole, hey, can I copy your homework? But I'll change it up a little bit, and this is what we got. Another one, this is called from Garten of Banban. I think that's what it says from here. Now I've watched the other ones. I did reactions to the other ones. They were okay. I thought they were interesting, but they didn't get that much attention on my reaction, so I stopped looking into that stuff. This seems to be another one of those. It's kind of a carbon copy of those, to be honest. It kind of seems like it is, but they're more like, I don't know what to say. We have multiple videos. I'm not saying that Horror Shinks copied. I'm just saying the design and the concept of the characters. It just seemed like another copy of it, and it's getting some popularity. I think there's even a video where it takes both of them and they battle each other, kind of stuff. I think that was also on Horror Shinks' channel. But we're going to check out all the backstory, the sad origin stories on Horror Shinks' channel. Now, he's been uploading these for the last couple months. As you can see, this one got over 25 million views 3 months ago when he first dropped it. By the way, links down below for all the videos we're about to check out, like the original ones. Like I said, I have no idea, no concept of what these things are, story, what they're actually from. I'm assuming this might be another Roblox thing. I'm not 100%. You guys can let me know down below, and if these do well, I'll check out more. Of course, animation shorts. I think even GH has done a couple of these shorts based off these creature things. I'm not sure. I think I saw something on my feed about that one. We have another one, which is, I think, a red character. This one came out 1 month ago. Same thing, like the original video, do all that stuff. This one, you can see it on here. This one's a blue character. For some reason, my stuff is not scrolling. Why aren't you scrolling? Why aren't you scrolling? Can I not? Okay, I can still press play. For some reason, it's not letting me scroll down. I don't know why. But this one's a green character, and that's pretty much the gist of it. Like I said, it just seems very similar to the color characters that we've been seeing lately, as of like creepypasta, story-esque. I don't know anything about them. I'm jumping into this. People were asking me where if I can go check out more Horror Shinks stuff. I go over to his channel and I see all this, and I'm like, I'll give it a try. I don't know anything about it, and I know people have been asking for Horror Shinks, and it's not the first time I've seen these characters pop up on my feed when it comes to recommended, and this just gives me the same vibes as some of the other things I've been watching. So let's check it out. Links down below for all 4 videos we're about to watch by Horror Shinks. Show your support. Help this man. He is so close. By the way, shout out to Horror Shinks if you watch this. Shout out to you, man. You are so close to 3 million subscribers, and you so deserve it. Guys, make sure to go hit that sub button. Alright, anyways, let's check out the first one, which is Opila? I don't know if that's how you... It's a bird. It's a bird. Let's check out what's going on with the bird. Also, let me turn off the background music. Boom. And let's check out the bird. I will say, though, no matter how many times I see Horror Shinks and stuff, it's actually really well made. Like, all these animations and, like, CGI characters that he does, Cartoon Cat, Long Horse, all that stuff, they always do really, like, they just seem really well made, and it's incredible how well he does these. I'll give this 100% holy shit moment if this bird kills this child. Nope, never mind. So was it abandoned? I think that thing should be dead. That would have broken its neck. Wait, this is a sad origin story. Something's going to happen to this family, and he was abandoned for a reason.
What's wrong? This is you.
Say cheese.
Once upon a time, there was a bird, but not like any other bird. It was a very special bird, a very unique one, just like you.
I can't stay, buddy. I have to go to work. Okay.
What's up?
This bird does not belong to you. You have to take it back to its real owner. Please remain calm and follow us.
One, it seemed to be abandoned, and two, I'm sorry, if he was a child and he's had this bird from childhood to adulthood, I'm sorry. Fuck no.
One more time.
Hurry up! Come here, buddy. Come here. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you.
Okay? It is a sad story, but what the fuck? Okay, that was interesting. Alright, let's get into the next one. This one is another... they're all sad stories.
Hello. Oh.
Yeah, see, I was trying to say this earlier. Like, some of them look like Creed. Like, that one was just like a bird thing. I don't know what the hell this is supposed to be.
Yeah.
Remember when you were popular? What a joke. Congratulations on your show today. You only made 8 kids cry.
What a dick.
Yeah.
Daddy, come on, let's go. No, Mom, I want to see Banban. Let's go.
He didn't get bullied enough yet. Make him quit.
Next show.
I'm trying to. I have no idea if this is actually like backstory turned into this, or this is just some weird story that Horror Shinks came up with to give this backstory a sad twist of something. I am just generally confused of where this is going.
Finally, a fun show again. This is better than Banban. That other show sucked.
Yeah, that other show sucked. The other thing that took over just looks like him, but it wrapped in toilet paper. Okay, I didn't expect that. I thought maybe it would have been kind of like him actually able to turn it around and find love in some weird way, but no, it sounds like he just decapitated or ripped her in half or something. I'm assuming, based off the fact that they have the horn thingies, he just grabbed her thing and went just down the middle, split her in half. I don't know. That's all I can say. Oh yeah, he even did a music video. I'll check that one out if this video does well. Alright.
I'm like a master in this game. You're gonna lose. I'm the best. Dude, definitely not. Hey, but we need 4 people to play this game, right? Hey, over here. We still have that guy that can join us, I guess. I'm not gonna play with him. I'm not gonna play with a monster. Fine, I'll do it. I'll sacrifice myself if I have to. Hey, choose me. Gina, I choose you. Who shall I pick? Hard choice. Choose me. Come on, let's go. Yes. We can only play with 4 people.
What happened to the 4th kid? Technically, I'm assuming they're supposed to be pretending to be kids, but did he take care of one of the other kids?
Okay, I will join Team Blue.
That's an easy win for us with a loser like that on your team. Bye! Come here! Come here! Give me the flag! It's my flag! Hey! Hey! Where are you? Ah!
Okay.
Yeah! Got it! Yeah! Where's Nabnab? Where's my teammate? That monster. Ugh. Why didn't you help me? You're disgusting. Guys, I'm so tired. Let's play hide and seek. I'm not gonna play with a monster.
Why are you having flashbacks of things that just happened? Okay then, I guess he's gonna murderize them. Why? God damn! Well, don't fucking pick on monsters. They'll fucking eat you. Well, all right, last one. Let's check out the green one. We had a sad bird one with being separated from the person who took care of them. Then we had 2 other ones that involved murder and eating people. And now we have this one. Let's see what this one's all about.
Oh, hello there, little one. Don't be scared. It's okay. I can bring you to my house and introduce you to my friends. Come with me. Huh.
He looks like a Josh to me.
Huh. How about Jimbo Josh?
Yes, I like that.
I'm wondering if he got, like, was that the whole thing, was he started to grow from the water? He touched a little water and it made him grow. Now he's small again. I'm guessing the drier he is, the smaller he gets, but the more water the bigger he gets. Oh God, I just said that!
Jumbo?
Never mind, I guess I was wrong.
Do you know how to dance? Yeah.
Okay, Google, play some good dance music.
How is this gonna turn sad, though?
I got to talk.
Oh, I thought he was about to get fucking sniped.
Did you find the monster? Yes, affirmative.
They have a sniper! I was right!
Roger that. Open fire! Jimbo.
Oh God, he's like the Hulk. The angrier he gets, the bigger he gets.
It's getting out of hand. You have to fall back. Roger that. Looking for me? Attack!
Even though you have 4 impressively sized tanks, I don't know. The more he takes damage, the angrier he gets, and the bigger he gets. I think he's gonna squish you. Alright, more than 4 tanks. He's got an army of tanks. Why are you running towards the tanks to save your big friend? Let him take care of it, because guess what? You should be dead. Those would hit and kill you easily.
You hurt yourself, buddy. Calm down. Our bullets.
They really had to make a fart joke. He got shot in the butt, so he farted.
Thanks, friend. Thank you. Calm down. Let's go home.
Well, technically, if you go home and you get him small, he's not going to protect you. You're going to die, and they're still going to chase him. Let him go after and destroy the tanks and stop the army.
Stop shooting! It's a baby! Target has been neutralized. So recently I started playing World of Tanks, and this game...
Oh my God, it's a World of Tanks! I'll be honest, I was sponsored by them one time. But, yeah. Anyways, I'm going to end it here. Go support them if you guys want. Links in the description. Do all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching this. I don't know what to do about these. These are interesting. And if you guys want me to check out more, I think if there's more on his channel that I need to see, I think there was that music video one and maybe one other video. I need to check out more horror shank stuff. It's been a while. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And until then, thanks and later.